Hello, this is Keith Owen. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn something about the filter function and how we could use it to use an approximate match or approximate search and incorporate that into the filter function. Now, what do I mean? Uh, let's say I want to search this particular column with a particular phrase, like in this case, retailing. So I want to return back anything. I want to return this data set where it matches retailing as part of the industry. Now, of course, not all of these have the word retailing in it, as you can see. Uh, uh, Only some of them have retailing, and they could be at the beginning of the phrase, they could be in the middle of the phrase, they could be at the end of the phrase. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, we're going to take three steps. We're going to use the search function, then we're going to use the ISNUMBER function, and then finally we'll use filter function. So let's start with the search function. So we're going to type in an equals search, tab over, what do we want to find is the first argument. So we want to find retailing. So we're going to select that, comma, and where are we going to find retailing? Within what text? So that's the second argument. So I'm going to highlight this range, this array, and then the third argument is optional. At this point, we're not going to use it. So I'm going to press close out the function and press enter. Now, as you can see, it returns some errors, a value error, and some will return a number. Now, the ones that return a number, what does that mean? So search basically says, let's search for a certain text, and if we find it, it returns a number. The number it returns is actually the position within the phrase where that phrase is found. So retailing. So in other words, if we look at this phrase here, 23 is where retailing starts. Position 23. So if we count over here, go to the beginning of the phrase, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3. So it begins in the 23rd position within that phrase. So that's what that means. Okay. So now our second step is we want to basically turn these values here into a true or false. So we can feed that back into the filter function. So how do we do that? We could use the ISNUMBER function. So if we start with ISNUMBER, and it checks whether a value is a number. If it is, it's going to return a true or false. So if it is a number, it will return a true. If it's false, it will return a false. So tab over. Let's go to the end here and close out the function and press enter. So now we got values of true and falses. So now at this point, now let's look into the filter function, and let's start over here. Let's start at the beginning, filter, tab into that. Now, what do we want to filter? Basically, we want to filter out this entire table, and we want to return the entire table when any values in this table equal retailing. Basically, when retailing is found in the industry column. So let's select the entire table as the array. Let's press comma to go over to the next argument. What do we want to include? Well, at this point, these two functions that we created just now returns a true or false. So right now, that's all we have to include into the filter function. We don't have to worry about the third argument. So let's press go to the end. Let's close it out, the filter function, and return. So there you have it. This is how we could use the filter function with an approximate match or approximate search to return the values that you want. So let's double check this. Let's select something else. Let's select general. Okay, so what it did was if it found general within the industry column. So any phrase in the industry column that has general a part of it, it will return the values for it. So we got general merchandisers. Let's see where that's at. There we go. Walmart, that's Walmart. General merchandisers, that's one of them. Costco, let's go, that's general merchandisers. Okay, let's also select something like computer. Okay, same thing. Apple has computers part of the industry column. Microsoft, where's Microsoft? Over here. It has computer. So let's search for health, anything with health in it. So it brings back all the entries that are part that have health part of the industry. So first one, United Healthcare Group. So there you have it, and that's beginning at the start of it. This one also, McKinnon's, right here. Healthcare is health appears in the middle, basically in the middle of the industry column. So this is how you could use the filter function along with other functions to accomplish what you want. Hopefully this short tutorial taught you something about the filter function, ISNUMBER function, and the search function. I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Remember to subscribe to my channel because I release a video once a week on Excel. And also, please like and share this video so more people can see this because I know other people are searching for these ideas too. Thanks again. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.